Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful cake, something very different but yet like less is more in this case, really. So if you guys want to see how I made this, we'll keep on watching. So the piece that everybody wants to know is, isn't this pretty? This is another model. What I like about this is that you can actually use it on both sides. So this is a beautiful face. So I will try to link everything in my description box of the video, but look at that, like how pretty it is. It's very delicate, by the way, so you have to be very careful because they could break very easily. But wow, I bought this on Amazon. So pretty. And there's like different faces and models. I will try to link everything, like I said. So basically you just do your cake and you do your crumb coat and then your second coat. If you want a nice edge, I keep saying it in my videos, you can use the acrylic discs or even simply the cake bottoms to make sure that everything is nice, which this is what I did in the video. So if you do that, make sure to do your crumb coat, pop it in the freezer 5-10 minutes. Then you do your second coat. Before you do that, a little bit of buttercream, parchment paper the same size as your cake, and then your acrylic disc or one of these, white facing down or glossy facing down. And then you just cover the entire cake and then remove the excess and pop it in the freezer for 5-10 minutes until the buttercream has set, and then you remove the disc and the parchment paper. It will create a little crease, a gap. Just fill that up with a little bit of buttercream, and then clean everything out, and you have the perfect cake ready to be decorated. So in this case, I use a beautiful face, but like I said, what I like is that you can use this side, or if you want it on the other side, you can use the other side too. See, this one still has tape, but if you see, it has tape like this, but if you remove the tape, it's like black, see, like that. So I won't do it now, but oh well, might as well do it. So then, so depending on if you want the face facing a certain way, then what's nice is that you can choose if you want it facing this way or facing that way. And then you can do whatever you want. And I placed a bunch of flowers. This is a hot trend right now. There's a lot of cakes with that trend right now on Google. So I wanted to try it out, and it's just, oh, beautiful. So you can use real flowers, synthetic flowers. If you do use real flowers, be careful, guys. There's a lot of flowers out there that are toxic and are not food safe, so you have to be careful with that. If you are using flowers that are edible and are safe for your cake, make sure to, even though, cover the stem with floral tape. There's a lot of videos that I show you how to do that. Floral tape or straws, and then you put your stem inside the straw, or buttercream, so that you have buttercream between the cake and the flour. But it's super important that your flour, it's not toxic. Example, baby wreath. I see so many bakers put baby wreath. They're beautiful, especially I see it on wedding cakes. But did you know that they're toxic? Those flowers should not be on a cake. They're very toxic. So another one is hydrangea. Hydrangea, the leaf, the stem, the flower is toxic as well. So that's a no-no. So there's a lot of flowers that are beautiful, but if you like the look, use them, but synthetic. Don't use fresh flowers like that. So it's important to look up the flowers that are food safe. So that's my little disclaimer on that. And that is it. Seriously, this cake, less for more. This is what it is, less for more. This made it all with a bunch of flowers or whatever you want. It could even be like fruits. It would be nice. Yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.